Now, what is the benefit of the hypervisor? So those benefit we have seen that why we use the hypervisor on that, right? But still, through the bullet point, let's understand what are the different benefit of hypervisor. So the first benefit of hypervisor is speed. The hypervisor allow virtual machine to be built instantaneously, unlike bare metal server. This makes provisioning resources for complex workload much simpler. Speed, right? We can quickly create the virtual machine through hypervisor. Efficiency. Hypervisor that run multiple virtual machine on the resources of a single physical machine often allow for a more effective use of single physical server. Now here we can increase the efficiency. The underlying physical machine could be used efficiently. So we have this hardware, but we cannot use it if we are running a program of very low end program on that particular or very high end program. But if we divide it into different virtual machines, so every core could be useful of that particular physical machine, so efficiency could be increased. Flexibility. Since the hypervisor distinguishes the operating system from the underlying hardware, the program no longer reside on practical hardware devices or drivers. Bare metal hypervisor enable operating system and their related application to operate on a variety of hardware type. Now here we provide different types of hardware to particular virtual machines, right? So depend upon what type we want to use. Based on that, we can have the hardware, and this provides the flexibility. Portability. A multiple operating system can run on the same physical machine. That is called portability, right? So we have operating system 1 here, operating system 2 here, 3 here, 4 here. So in one physical machine we can run many operating system. That is provided the portability. The hypervisors virtual machine are portable because they are separate from the physical computers or physical machines. So here they will provide the portability, means many operating system can reside in one host machine or one physical machine. Flexibility in terms of what is required by any person will be given the hardware which is required. Efficiency means we can efficiently utilize the resources of the physical machine with the help of by creating the virtual machine through hypervisor. And the speed, we can create the virtual machine through the hypervisor as quick as possible.